Hi, I thought I'd film this disaster. I'm in Wyoming. As you can see, my whole tent is caving in on me. And I didn't sleep very well last night, to say the least. I decided just to get up and try to just sit and read because my chair, as you can see, is holding up pretty good. But this side, of course, where I sleep, is totally caving in on me all night long. I wanted you to hear this. You'd think I'm next to the ocean, right? No, I'm in Wyoming. Is this crazy or what? Yikes, I'm afraid to get out because I'm afraid I'll fall. Hi.